Good morning, Matthew 3 to another learning video. Today we will begin Unit 2, which is description. What does it mean? Description or describing something means to tell about someone's or something's features, how someone or something looks like, how someone or something smells like, or what someone or something can do. Here is an easy example to begin with. Can you describe this thing for me? I will give you 10 seconds to think about how you could describe this object. Are you done? Great. Now, let's say I can't see this object on the screen and you would have to describe it to me. How would you do that? Maybe the first thing you would do is to describe the shape of this object. It's a cube. So I already know it's a three-dimensional object. Maybe then you would tell me about its color. It's green. Well done. Now, in this unit, we will learn about how to describe people. And that's a bit harder than describing this object. First, we will learn how to ask for a description of a person. If you want to know how someone looks like, how would you ask? We could ask, for example, what does he or she look like? Or, what is his or her physical appearance? Now we will talk about shapes. We can't use words such as cube, sphere, or pyramids to describe people. And we also want to be polite. So we will describe statures. Stature means the general shape of someone's body. Here are 10 types of statures and what they mean. Number 1. Slim. Slim is a positive and polite word for thin. Many people don't know that thin is actually not polite because it could mean too slim. Number 2. Slender. No, not him. Slender means thin in a pretty or handsome or elegant way. Also, slender people are maybe a bit taller than others. Number 3. Lanky. Lanky means tall but thin. The difference between slender and lanky is that lanky is already a bit on the awkward side. Number 4. Skinny. If someone is skinny, it means this person is very thin and almost too thin. Skinny people are often so thin that they look weak or ill. Number 5. Petite. If a person is petite, it means this person is small for their age and thin. For example, a person who is 30 years old but looks like a 12 years old. In this case, she's the petite person, not Sandor Clegane, of course. Number 6. Obese. If someone is obese or big, It means this person is overweight in an unhealthy way. We don't use the word fat because fat is not a polite word. Number 7, chubby. If a person is chubby, it means the person is slightly overweight, but not too much, just a bit. Number 8, stout. A stout person is a bit chubby, but strong and solid looking, and usually a bit shorter than others. Number 9, little person or dwarf. A little person or dwarf is someone whose body height is below 147 centimeters. Number 10, beefy or burly. Those guys are strong and have a lot of muscles. Now I have a homework for you. Please find 7 celebrities who fit the following types of stature: skinny, petite, beefy, stout, slender, and overweight. Print a small picture of that person and write the following sentence next to it to describe their stature. For example, Vin Diesel is a beefy person. Or Jack Black is an overweight person, and so on. Okay, that's it for today's lesson. If you have any questions, please ask me. Don't forget to check out our learning group for Matthew 3. Thanks a lot for watching and see you soon. Bye.